Right, we've got a restaurant. Hello, table for one. Can I sit? Table for one. Yeah. Okay, thank you. When you get the camera out, some people are like, ooh, and then other people are like, brah, rah. Hello, sir. So yeah, let's take a seat, mate, and not disturb these people in the restaurant, aka that man at the front. Oh mate, it is baking hot. To give you an idea how hot it is here in Pattaya and probably in most of Thailand, imagine a campfire happening and you're telling all campfire stories around the campfire, and you stick your head in those flames like right up close to it, mate, and you are burning. That's pretty much like what it's like here. I mean, that's a complete exaggeration, but hopefully you get the gist of what I'm trying to say. All right, let's have a little flip of this menu, mate. So you've got some fish dishes here for 120 baht. What else have we got? We got some fries for 60 baht. What else we got? These. And my favorite, which is this, which is just what we've ordered. And look, I've gone for the beef, which is the cow, for 70 baht. Kapow beef, and it comes with a nice egg on top. It's actually what I had at Fed Mark with Mark Weens' restaurant that I went to a couple of vlogs back. So yeah, we've ordered that, mate. Ah, hello sir, thank you very much. Thank you, lovely, thank you, delicious, thank you. Set you up there, mate. Let's put some of this chili on. It's like chili, garlic, and whatever else. But I like this, even though this is usually hot enough. But when in Thailand, you do as the Thais do, mate. So here it is. So we've got the kapow beef, which is with basil and chilies, and also some green beans in there, in with a really nice whatever sauce it is. Then of course we have got the egg. Amazing, check that out. And it's always cooked to perfection here in Thailand. The fried egg is amazing. And then under that is the huge plonk of white sticky rice, mate. I'm a big fan of sticky rice and rice overall. Mate, it's so noisy on this street. And then we have the cucumbers right here to top it off. So real good. Let's tuck in some rice and beef. Mate, amazing smells. Wow. Aroy ding ding. Aroy ding ding. Thank you. Aroy ding ding. Delicious in Thai. And now, oh mate, I'm sweating into the food. How lush is that? Now let's try some of the egg and the rice. What a combo. Could eat this every meal, every single day, 365, mate. Food just makes me as happy as a good session of sex, mate, you know what I mean? But not sex tourism over in countries like Thai. Normal sex, you know? Oh, fuck. Edit that out, Chrissy Boy. And then, all in one, cucumber, the beef, the rice, and the egg. Bottoms up, mate. After this, we'll get a move on. Also, this was 70 baht. All right.